something to show you.
What's that? Whoa! You did that in no time. You are so fast and talented. Can I get a high five? Wow. Keep up the great work. So Gabe's still feeling a little banged up from earlier, so instead of hiking a mountain, we're gonna just drive up to the top of Cadillac. We just reserved our spot, and should be some nice views. We'll still do some walking around and exploring, but not as much of a climb.
Your ears popping?
No.
We're about halfway up. Hopefully we get some views in a minute here. We're going to look at the right side. Looking out over the island.
I don't see the other side of it. Wait till we get to the top.
There's people riding their bikes up here. They must have some strong legs. I think that's Eagle Lake down there. It's close to where we're staying.
Look how pretty it is.
I think that Chinda's
All the lakes.
There's a bunch of bombs on us. A lot of people are hiking in town. A lot of people hike up this. It takes up the whole day. It takes the whole day to hike up this thing.
Probably.
Oh yeah. You'll see when we get up top why they call it Mount Desert Island, because of the way the glaciers cut and ground down the rocks. So it's real smooth. It's hard for trees to grow up here. So from a distance, it looks like all the mountains have little deserts on top of them.
I actually see little islands.
Oh yeah. Lots of islands out here on the coast of Maine. No, we might be able to see that from up top here. That's Eagle Lake again down there. Get a good view of Penobscot Bay right here. That's the ocean. You can see way out over the ocean from a mountain. Isn't that crazy?
We're going to East
1,445 feet.
Guys, 50 more feet to go. My ears are starting to pop.
Just yawn.
They got a Cadillac Summer Center.
Yep, we made it to the top.
Hey, we are on the top.
Is that a parking spot? A VIP style? That'll do it. Sienna's doing it. She's gonna get a picture.
First picture
Look
made.
at that view off the top of Cadillac Mountain.
Woo! I got it!
You did? Let's see what you got. Press that play button.
Wait, play?
Press that one. Wow.
That's a good job.
That's beautiful, baby girl. Give me a high five. Nice job. Got a couple little shutterbugs here.
What?
Here, looks like your flash is popping on. Let me turn that off. Press this button and turn it off. So now you're just getting natural light. Gabe's using my tripod for the first time. His other one took a tumble earlier.
Guys, you know like those things that kind of look like windmills? I
Hey,
see
Dad.
some of them down
Did
there.
you take it off or just two at the same time?
Yeah, like
Oh yeah.
way off.
Right now it's on continuous. I'll put it back on single shot, okay?
I took a picture of the glass.
Let me see it. Let's see. Press that. Oh yeah. What's that cloud look like? Does it look like a piggy?
No, it kind of looks like...
It kind of looks like a duck.
Kind of looks like a warthog.
A warthog. It does look like a warthog.
Which one?
Like that one that I took a picture
See,
of.
remember I said if you see something you think is pretty, you can take a picture of it and you'll remember it forever?
It's like chasing a piece of kibble or something.
Yeah.
Warthogs chase kibble?
They'll eat anything, right?
Yeah, maybe a tiger.
Tiger will eat
Probably
them.
not a tiger.
Ready? Hands up. See it, Peanut. I think even Ginger was looking on that one.
It's taking 2 pictures. Okay.
Oh, we got a winner.
What? Let me see.
I'm so proud. It's so pretty up here. Oh, look, Gabe, look, there's a stack of rocks over there. Cool, man. You gonna stack some rocks up like that?
Sure.
What'd you get a picture of? Bahaba?
Bahaba.
Nice.
Bahaba.
Gotta love that.
You could even do close-ups of like the pretty little flower.
Yeah. Just make sure it's focused on them. Put the little focus red, the little red dot right in there, and press halfway for it to focus. All right, nice. Can't wait to see that picture. I think the mountain we're gonna climb when you're feeling better is over that way.
That one right over there?
No, I think that's the precipice there. So the beehive's down there, and then all the way around the corner is Gorham.
See that
Want to take a picture of the doggy?
See the line going to the island? That's that sand farm.
I take a picture.
Actually, that's a different one.
Yeah, you're right.
The one we walked across is underwater right now.
I took a picture of Bahaba.
Now you're talking like a Maine lady.
Dad, doesn't this kind of look like a wave? Dad, doesn't it?
There's some cool lines in the rocks up here. That's why a lot of people come up here just to take pictures of the rocks.
I'm surprised how I've only seen us with cameras.
And there's more of these boulders here. All these boulders were put here by that glacier 10,000 years ago.
So I should take a picture of it?
This whole thing was under a mile of ice. Can you believe that?
I know.
That's a lot of ice.
A mile thick of ice?
Like a mile over our heads.
What does this say? Daddy! I accidentally took the picture of the back of your head. You in the way!
Did you get a glare?
Is it beehive?
I might want to take a picture with one of your cameras out here.
You see on his. You already taken your pictures. Which lens do you want to use is the question.
Probably a wide one because I want to get a shot of the whole bay
See?
with the rocks and some trees out here.
See, so you I took a picture of Ginger, but you've been blocking her.
Blocking her light?
Yeah, blocking. I found something that's really unique. Come on, come here.
Can you show me? That is a neat looking rock.
It looks like a cartoon.
It's got lichens all over it. It's lichens. They're just like the ones that are over there. Those are the Porcupine Islands out there.
It's like a rock from somewhere else.
I like it. I like this one tree here. I'm gonna borrow a camera and get a picture of one of the tree there. Can I do that?
Camera. Can I have my camera back?
Yes, ma'am. What you getting a picture of there, buddy?
The lighthouse.
A lighthouse? The one way out there? There's one way. You can definitely not see it in the action camera. The lighthouse way out there. Trying to frame it up? Got it in there? Let me see what you got.
We're gonna go up to the tippy top tower.
Come on, Ginger Snap. I love it. You having fun? We can probably get a real good view of where we were this morning over here. I don't think you can see Sand Beach, but you can see the mountains that were next to us.
Is this the highest mountain?
This is the highest mountain on the island. The highest mountain in Maine is Mount Katahdin. It's almost 5,000 feet. It's probably that way, but it's too far away to see it.
Hey, Dad. I know the tallest mountain in North America.
What's that?
Mount Denali.
Is it Mount McKinley or is Mount McKinley in Denali? Okay, so that little bump out there is the Beehive, and then the next little mountain over there with the little bald spot on top, that is Gorham Mountain, and you can kind of see Otter Cliffs down there a little bit too. We're gonna go all the way up top so we can see the whole island.
Almost at the top. Ew! I didn't take a picture of you.
Doesn't look good.
Ew.
Let me do this. Thank you.
I'm done. I'm taking this thing off, but I don't know how to.
I can carry it if you want. And if you see something else you want to shoot, you can take it back. Onward to the summit. All right, we made it to the top. See it all from up here.
All right, Sheila, what do you think? Yeah.
Okay. Check out that view.
I'm running off.
I'm not sure what it was, but that little excursion to the top of Cadillac Mountain was the first time Sienna showed some serious interest in the camera. Looked like she had a good time. We're gonna get back to the house in a little bit and try to edit those and see how they turned out. Are you excited to see your pictures when we get back?
Yeah!
You have fun?
Yeah!
Okay, good. Sienna, you know where your pictures are?
In there.
Nope. They're in this little card right here.
Does it not in my camera anymore?
No, we take them out and we put them into the computer. We're gonna edit your pictures?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's make Gabe.
Let's take a look at them here. We're gonna pick all the ones that look best. Oh, that's a great one.
Not that one.
Mommy loves it. You tell me what you like them or not.
Yeah.
There's another butt. You like butts, don't you?
I accidentally took a picture of that.
Okay. Oh, look at these.
I think that they need some fixing.
That's definitely yours. We can fix it. We can straighten it out. You take that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's a cool pose. Oh, yeah. What's that called? The sprinkler? That's another butt. I sense a theme here. Ginger's hard to get pictures of. She's like you. She don't hold still much. Porcupine Islands. Lots of butts. Oh, did you see those people standing out there?
Yeah.
You crack me up, girl. Literally. Crack. Well, that's a good portrait of Gabe.
We should make that.
Were you only wearing one shoe?
Yeah.
All your pictures are crooked. Like you got one leg shorter than the other one.
But it's cool.
Oh, that's a nice picture of Mommy, Sienna. I like her hair blowing around. Yeah, there's Daddy. All right, so those are all the best ones. Now what we do first is we go in and do the adjustments we're going to do on all the pictures first. We bring the highlights down, brighten them up, do the blacks, then we give it a little extra saturation that makes it more colorful. Sharpen, noise reduction, remove chromatic aberrations and lens correction, and then we do that to all of them. So that's the first one. Then we go here, click,
How many
sync.
pictures does Sienna have?
She has 65. And we turn the white balance off, and we make sure all the rest of them are the same. And sync.
Just from yesterday.
And then it takes a minute for all those settings to happen to all the pictures. And then we come back to the beginning again and start to edit. I like this one just the way it is. I think you said you took one more beautiful. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure that line is just right. Do a little vignette around there again. Make the colors nice and sharp. See, you got rule of thirds right there. See that? That's rule of thirds. Watch me do this. You got the rock. It's the subject matter right there. And you got all that in the background. Perfect. High five. Want to go Velvia on this one?
Yeah.
Super blue. This will be your blue period. Saturation. Woo! Yeah.
Show Mom that one.
Is that your style? Does it look like a painting now?
That one's a pretty old
This
one.
one. This one is pretty.
We should make
I
it
love it.
colorful.
Make it colorful. Bring out the color. Here it comes. Booyah.
Wow. There we go.
She's going super saturated. And these are windmills. Get the windmill. Helicopter.
Make it colorful.
Bring out the color. Boom. That's good contrast too. Look at that.
Yeah, a little bit of purple.
A little purple. All right, a little bit of purple like that.
Yeah, and a little bit of...
Too purple?
Yellow.
Oh, that hurts my eyes.
Yellow. A little bit of yellow. There.
Right there.
Perfecto.
Perfecto mondo. You love it. Yes. And guess what? Another bud. Who are you, Maplethorpe?
Hey, Mom.
Taking nudie pictures?
Nude.
That's an orange hiney. Gabe, did you see this one? We can definitely make this into a clown. I like it too. Look how sharp that is. That's a sharp picture. You can see all the crust on his face. I like this picture of Mommy. She don't smile at me like that anymore. She thinks you guys are cute now. And she got a picture of Daddy to wrap it up. How'd you like using the camera today? Was it pretty neat?
Good.
Hey, wait a minute. You gotta elaborate a little bit. Was it as cool as drawing pictures?
Yes. It's my turn to edit some pictures.
Well, we know who's Mr. Overzealous here.